Hi everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. In this usual black base MDF board, we are going to create a monochrome dot mandala, which means black and white. And I'm going to dot with white. Let's get started. I'll start with dotting in the center. Now I'm going to keep some more paint and fill the centermost circle. I'll keep some dots now. Now I'll keep some tiny dots. I'll keep some dots now. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll work the dots now. I'll keep some more dots now. I'll keep smaller dots now. I'll work the dots now. I'll keep two side swipes. I'll keep smaller dots now. Now I'll keep some white dots. I'll keep smaller white dots. I'll work the dots now. I'll keep some side swipes. I'll work the dots now. I think this monochrome dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.